Hello friends, welcome to my channel Animated Study where we trying to teach you using animated example. Today we will learn about input devices. An input device is any hardware device that sends data to computer, allowing you to interact with computer or control it. Keyboard. Keyboard is the most common and very popular input device which helps to input data to the computer. Most keyboard contain all English language alphabets along with numbers, symbol, function key, etc. By pressing particular key, user can feed data and instruction to computer. Mouse. Mouse is the most popular pointing device which is interact with computer through process known as point and click. When a user moves the mouse on the mousepad, the pointers moves in the corresponding direction on the computer screen. Mouse box with a round ball at its base or LED and photoelectric cell which sends the movements of the mouse and sends corresponding signals to the CPU. Mouse has two buttons called the left and the right button, and a wheel is present between the button. A mouse can be used to control the position of the cursor on the screen. Scanner. A scanner is an input device that uses optical technology to transfer images or sometimes text into a computer, where the signal is converted into digital image. The digital image can then be viewed on a computer monitor screen, saved, edited, emailed, or printed. Joystick. Joystick is also a pointing device which is used to move the cursor position on a monitor screen. A joystick is a handle that pivots on a base and sends its angle or direction to the computer as data. It is mainly used in computer-aided designing and playing computer games to control character or vehicle in the game. Light pen. Light pen is a pointing device similar to a pen. It is used to select a displayed menu item or draw pictures on the monitor screen. It consists of photocell and an optical system placed in the small tube. When the tip of the light pen is moved over the monitor screen and the pen button is pressed, its photocell sensing elements detect the screen location and sends the corresponding signal to the CPU. Trackball. Trackball is an input device that is mostly used in notebook or laptop computer instead of mouse. The pointer can be moved using ball mounted on trackball by rolling fingers on it. Since the whole device is not moved, a trackball requires less space than a mouse. Touchpad, also known as trackpad. A touchpad is common substitutes for the computer mouse. It is essentially specialized surface that can be detect the movements of the user fingers and use that information to direct a pointer and control a computer. Touchpad were first introduced for laptop for cursor movement. Digitizer. Digitizer is an input device which converts analog information into digital form. Digitizers can convert a signal from the televisions or camera into digital forms that could be stored in a computer. Digitizer is also known as tablets or graphics tablets as it converts graphics and pictorial data into binary inputs. A graphic tablets as digitizers is used for fine works of drawing and image manipulation applications. Digital camera or webcam. Digital camera are used to capture photographs and video independently. Later, these photo and video files can be transferred to a computer by connecting the camera directly with a cable, removing the memory card and slotting it into the computer, or through a wireless data transfer method such as Bluetooth. Once the photos are on the computer, they can be saved, edited, emailed, or printed. Webcams are different from digital cameras into two ways. Firstly, they cannot operate independently from a computer, and second, they have no inbuilt memory. Although webcams can capture photographs and video, they are more often used to live stream video or facilitate video chats. Microphone is an input device to input sound that is then stored in digital form. The microphone is used for various applications such as adding sounds to multimedia presentation or for mixing music. Magnetic Ink Card Reader (MICR). MICR input device is generally used in banks as there are large number of checks to be processed every day. The bank's code number and check number are printed on the check with a special type of ink that contains particles of magnetic material that are machine readable. This reading process is called Magnetic Ink Character Recognition (MICR). The main advantages of MICR is that it is a fast and less error prone. Optical Character Reader (OCR). OCR is an input device used to read a printed text. OCR scans the text optically, character by character, converts them into machine-readable code, and stores the text on the system memory. Barcode Readers. Barcode reader is a device used for reading barcoded data. Barcoded data is generally used in labeling goods, numbering the books, etc. It may be a handheld scanner or may be embedded in a stationary scanner. Barcode reader scan a barcode image, converts it into the alphanumeric value, which is then fed to the computer that the barcode reader is connected to. Optical Mark Reader (OMR). OMR is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize the type of mark made by pen or pencil. It is used where one out of few alternatives is to be selected and marked. It is specially used for checking the answer sheets of examinations having multiple choice questions or MCQ. At last we will see a touch screen. Touch screen is a both input and output device. A user can give input or control the information processing system through a simple or multi-touch gesture by touching the screen with a special stylus or one or more fingers. The user can use the touch screen to react to what is displayed, and if the software allows, to control how it is displayed. For example, zooming to increase the text size. That's all for all input devices. If you like our video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.